From here, we can go ahead and place our first order. The first order that I'll be doing would be a pickup order. So I'm going to go to Actions, Create. Your company will automatically populate in the client, and it would show your name if you're putting in the order, when you created it. HVAC, routine, and residential should auto-populate. Here, if you are looking to order electrical or plumbing, you'll want to select those two items, but I'm going to go ahead and leave this as HVAC. For routine, we do have some different priorities. So emergencies are meant to just be medical emergencies. Urgent is based on your discretion of what you qualify as urgent, and then routine would just be a standard routine order. Product subtype, so this would be if your equipment is meant to be for residential purposes or commercial. If you are ordering commercial equipment, you will want to make sure that you check this commercial flag or category. But we're going to be ordering residential, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that residential. Anything that has an asterisk, you'll need to make sure that is filled out prior to going to this next button. This next button will not be clickable if you're missing any of the required data. So if you're ever trying to move on and this is grayed out, just scroll back up and re-look at all the categories and see if you've missed any that have the asterisk. So here, I'm going to put in my PO number, my reference 1, and this will be the contractor or this picking up the equipment. Reference 2, this is not a field that we need to use. So if you would like to put in like the address that the equipment's going to be installed on, you can absolutely do that if that is not your PO number. Or if you want to put something in here to tie to your finance invoicing, you can do that as well. And then here, you can put in either your contact information or the contractor's information. If you are the contractor that's ordering, then you'd want to put in your information. So you're just going to select the type of information you're putting in, their name, and either their email or phone number. We do have several notifications that can be received if you give us your email or phone number. So depending on how you prefer to receive those notifications, that is how you should base your decision on whether you want to give your email or your phone number. If you'd like to receive text messages, you'll want to give your phone number. If you prefer to get the notifications in your email, you'll put in your email. For the notifications, if you would like to get either a text message or email once your order is ready for pickup, you're going to want to go ahead and just select ready for pickup. If you were doing a delivery order, we'll go through that one next. You'd pick out for delivery. If you want to just see when the order is completed, so that means it's either been picked up and or is out for delivery, you can hit completed. And if you'd like to see all of these, you can go ahead and select all status changes. But since this is a pickup example, I'm just going to go ahead and pick ready for pickup. And then once you have this filled out, you can go ahead and hit your add. And then now you'll see, since I have put in all the data that's necessary, I can go on ahead and click this next button. I do want to show you one more thing before I do that. We do have this special instructions field. So if you have any kind of special detail that you need us to know about this order, you can go ahead and just add this here.